Christopher, what are you?
Okay, Christopher. Notice the get up. He's still in PJs from this morning. It's 6 o'clock at night, and he's wearing Kai's little sweater. You forgot to ring the bell.
He's gonna go down all by himself like a big boy?
There you go.
You go down slide, Christopher?
Okay, sit. Kai's sweater. Sit. Yeah, good boy. That's the way. Give me your hand.
Yay, Christopher! Nice job, buddy.
It goes so fast I don't want to go put my hold on to him. But I suppose if I'm at the bottom. Should I try?
What do you think, Grandma? Yeah, it's at the bottom. Let's get her door.
He's real good about going up and oh my God, that get up.
All right, Christopher, come on down. Let's see you do it. You do big boy all by yourself? Big boy all by.
Sit. I'll catch you here.
Sit.
Sit. That's a good boy.
Good boy.
That's the way.
Good job, buddy.
Come on.
Yay!